Stupid Mongolians breaking my walls. Stupid Mongolians breaking my balls. Eating my wonton chicken egg roll. Don't tell a Mongolian I say hello. Hello? Hello? How are you? I dry clean clothes since year 02. Year of cock, year of pool. It was nice year in Hong Kong too. I am Chinese. Made a shitty world. Mango. Hey, fuck are you? If I was Mongolian, I would break down the wall. I mean stupid Mongo, my eyes are always closed. And I could read your fortune, Cookie says it all. Stupid dumb Mongolian, you never win the war. You never win the war. Chicken fried rice dog, chicken fried dog. I could fry tiger, I could fry frog. I could wear diaper, poop on the floor. Marguerite sniper, shoot at my star. Row, row, why you shoot me? I was star in a Bruce Lee movie. My Chinese food come with roofie. Go to bed, girl, show me your boobie. I have surprise in big shitty world. Egg roll with mushroom, with a red onion, sweet and sour pork. Or you could put some broccoli, 'cause I don't give a fuck. And I don't need a chopstick, 'cause I could use a fork. But if I was Mongolian, I'd rather eat the dog. I'd rather eat the dog. I bearded a fence around the Chinese, yeah, to protect them from some dumb Mongolians. The wall was knocked down by Mongolians, yeah. I just want some beef chicken fried rice. I break down all the world. My people die of hunger, but we trees haven't grown. And I don't see my parents, they ran me by the road. If you see my uncle, say he my hero. Say he my hero. Hero, remember me?
Shut up!
Big wall around the city of China.
Oh my god.
You don't break my wall. Damn it, you stupid Mongolians breaking my wall. You go back to Samaria. No extra soy sauce for you.
Vacation getaway, cash and shopping sprays. Showing in on the Georgia Lottery, win online prizes when you play it again.
Hold on to your old $1 and $2 Georgia Lottery scratchers, because now they have a second chance to win. All year long, you can enter them into monthly drawings to win cash, trips, or go shopping for merchandise in our online catalog. It's Play It Again, only from the Georgia Lottery. Visit playitagainga.com to learn more. Today could be the day. Please play responsibly. Cash worth $5 cannot be entered in this promotion.
If you leave your car in Detroit for a minute, it's gone. But it's alright, the city is great. They'll get it one day. They just need some gain. Let's give Detroit a makeover. You know, Jews and faggots. El Salvador is a piece of crap. Help them all, they need Jews and fags. Like faggot seagrass and Jew-back beefage. This video needs cleavage. Puerto Rico is full of crime. Fix it up one day, Jew at a time. And if I ever see a bitch trying to take some free shit, I'm gonna rape and ski quick, yeah. Then I run fucking fast. Send the gays a big soft Cleveland. I sorta just don't want them here. They need some Jews and faggots. Yeah, them some Jews and faggots. They want some Jews and faggots. Vatican has no gays or Jews. They got tons of young gay boys. They want some Jews and faggots. Yeah, them some Jews and faggots. They got some Jews and faggots.
Yo man, I'm Joe Coney. I adopt kids and teach them to fight the white man. He's my side of the story. I live in Nigeria. I am a Nigaro. Everybody's starving here, cause KFC is closed. Please send 10 cents to me. My address is I'm chief of the tribe. My name is Joe Coney. I snatch kid from your tree while Jason Russell jacks off publicly. Allegedly. We are all living in the jungle, dying from the hunger. No one in the Congo has any clothes. I must be a trucking fighter, cutting off vaginas. I can't read or write, but I can go. We are all living in the jungle, jungle. I live in Africa. We are all living in the jungle, eating from our bongo. Please give me a phone call, ask for Joe. We are a proud people living in Zimbabwe. You can see our people inside the magazine. You get the message. I'm Prince of Uganda. I give you money. What's your bank account number? I'm in the jungle, living with my uncle, sleeping in my bunker in Cameroon. I must be a jockey fighter, working for Al Qaeda. Go on to your flight, the bomb in my shoe. We are all living in the jungle, jungle. I live in Africa. We are all living with no water. He send me a quota. I can eat my daughter. We can evolve. Africa is a good, good country. Everyone here is wearing undies. Bano came here and stayed with me. I know that he's gay, but I'm proud he come to my shit country.
We must send these people AIDS. Top of the morning to ya. Have you seen me Lucky Charms? Would you like a potato?
Jungle, dying from the hunger. No one in the Congo has any clothes. I must be a trucking fighter, cutting off vaginas. I can read or write, but I can go. We are all living in the jungle, jungle. I live in Africa. We are all living in the jungle, eating from a bongo. Please give me a phone call, ask for Joe. Coney steals little boys and he jerks them off. Coney steals little boys and he jerks them off. Coney steals little boys and he jerks them off. Coney steals little boys and he jerks them off.